COVID-19, which caught us all by surprise, has dealt a heavy blow to the world economy. On one hand, it surely undermined investors' confidence, exacerbating volatility in global markets. On the other hand, the pause button on human activity has been pushed due to restrictions on the movement of people and transportation. However, China has strengthened its opening up while basically containing the pandemic over the past year. How did China further open up in 2020? Foreign investment law took effect. The regulation for implementing the Foreign Investment Law of the People's Republic of China, which aims to better protect the legitimate rights and interests of foreign investors, took effect on January 1st, 2020. The Foreign Investment Law has become the new basic law in the field of foreign investment in China, providing more comprehensive and powerful legal protection for foreign investors and attracting more and more multinational enterprises. Number of items on the negative list for foreign investment reduced again. 2 revised negative lists for foreign investment market access, one for the piloted free trade zones and one for the rest of the country, contain fewer access limiting measures. The number of items on the national negative list for foreign investment have been cut from 40 to 33, and pilot free trade zones now have 30 listed items, down from 37. It's the 4th consecutive year that China has revised the negative lists for foreign investment market access. Another free trade port. The master plan for the development of Hainan Free Trade Port was unveiled in June, indicating that Hainan Free Trade Port will become another key gateway for China's opening up. With advantages in investment environment, trade facilitation, cross-border capital flow, entry and exit of personnel and transportation, as well as the safe and orderly flow of data, Hainan Free Trade Zone aims to be a high standard and high quality free trade zone to showcase the world's highest level of opening up. New pilot free trade zones. China issued a master plan for 3 new pilot free trade zones in Beijing, Hunan, and Anhui, and adopted a plan to expand the area of the pilot FTZ in Zhejiang in September. The number of China's pilot free trade zones increased from 18 to 21. Over 3,300 foreign-funded enterprises were newly established in 18 pilot free trade zones in the first 7 months this year, their import and export volume reaching $410.5 billion. Accelerated construction of the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay Area. This October marked the 40th anniversary of the Shenzhen Special Economic Zone, the first SEZ in China, and a pilot zone for China's reform and opening up. Over the past 4 decades, Shenzhen SEZ has been actively utilizing both international and domestic markets and resources to attract global investment. Its total import and export volume jumped, with an average annual growth rate of 26.1% from $18 million in 1980 to $431.5 billion in 2019, realizing a historic leap from import and export trade to all-around high-level opening up. On October 11th this year, China unveiled the plan to pilot reforms in Shenzhen to build it into a socialist demonstration area. The city will play a leading role in the construction of the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay Area and becoming a one country, two systems demonstration zone and a new platform for high-level participation in international economic cooperation. The third CIIE held as scheduled. The total exhibition area of the third CIIE, which kicked off in November, increased by nearly 30,000 square meters compared with the previous one, with over 3,600 companies from more than 150 countries participating. A total of $72.62 billion worth of tentative deals was reached, up 2.1% year on year. In addition, hundreds of companies have signed up for the 4th Expo. This year's Expo brought hope to the world economy, which is struggling to recover amid the pandemic, and was well received by the international community. How will China further open up?
中国将秉持 开放、合作、团结、共赢的信念，坚定不移全面扩大开放，将更有效率地实现内外市场联通、要素资源共享，让中国市场成为世界的市场、共享的市场、大家的市场，为国际社会注入更多正能量。